one reason to stay away from Unity stock. As we can see from its overall price right now, the stock is sitting at $35.85 with a market cap of $10.7 billion. Year to date, the stock is down roughly 74%. For those not familiar, I am very bullish in Unity stock, but I do believe it's always important to understand some of the bearish cases. So let's get started with today's episode.
I do want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video, and make sure to check out fool.com/Jose to get the top 10 stocks to buy right now.
So one main reason to stay away from this stock is the overall competition the game engine has. We can see right now a recent report on October 3rd of 2022. Halo developers are reportedly switching to Unreal Engine, and this is one of the main competitors for Unity. Actually, if we take a closer look at their websites, we can see how similar they are. So here, if we take a closer look at Unreal Engines, we can see product solutions. If we take a closer look at solutions, they hit things like games, architecture, film, television, animation, automotive, transportation, and simulations. Now, if we take a closer look at Unity, we can see the website's pretty similar, products, solutions, and if we take a closer look at solutions, we see the same thing: games, automotive, transportation, manufacturing, film, architecture, and the list goes on. So we can see Unreal Engine is definitely a big competitor to Unity. So I want to take a closer look at both these game engine platforms and try to see which one is a leader, where, and when. So there was a recent article explaining 10 best games confirmed to use Unreal Engine. Most of these games are still in production right now, so none of them have been released. Popular games like Dragon Quest, The Witcher sequel, Ark 2, Kingdom of Hearts, and even Tomb Raider. So we can definitely see some very big names in the game market are using Unreal Engine. Another thing you might have noticed is all those games are AAA games that tend to have very high graphics performance and also have kind of an open world genre. And in an article posted in April 5th of 2022, CD Projekt, which is the creator of Witcher, explains why they're using Unreal Engine 5. And the main reason to be using Unreal Engine for the new Witcher game is the open world specific capabilities. So it does seem like Unreal Engine is amazing for open world games, which a lot of AAA games are, and also for those high graphics games. So there's definitely competition in that space for Unity. And like we also saw, Unreal Engine also hits other solutions that Unity is trying to hit. And if you are enjoying the episode so far, make sure to hit the thumbs up, as it does help me grow my overall audience. If you want to support a little bit more, make sure to subscribe using my link at fool.com/Jose. So if there's big competition in this space, why am I invested in this stock? Well, I do want to say, even though there's big competition in that specific market, Unity can still provide numerous solutions in other gaming markets. Now, a few bullish reasons to own Unity. In early August, they partnered up with Microsoft Azure to bring their Create solutions to the cloud and develop their cloud infrastructure to better meet the needs and to enhance games and other experiences. Microsoft and Unity will also work together to make it easier to build and distribute games on Windows and Xbox platforms. So this was announced prior to the last earnings call, but I just believe it's super amazing to have a partnership with Microsoft, one of the biggest kind of game platforms out there, with their Xbox and Windows platforms. Another thing, the gaming market is not just AAA games. There's games in all types of genre. For example, a recent release game from Disney, Dreamlight Valley, was actually made in Unity. Some other popular games like Fall Guys, Pokemon Go, Among Us, Hearthstone, Call of Duty Mobile were all made through Unity game engine. So even though they might not be used for AAA games, they are definitely being used for numerous popular games that many of us have heard of. Outside of Unreal Engine, I also want to mention that a lot of game studios have their own proprietary engine. For example, Nintendo, certain games, for example, Pokemon Brilliant and Diamond, were made on the Unity platform. But one of their most recent games, Pokemon Scarlet, was actually made through their proprietary engine. Another Nintendo game, Pokemon Unite, was actually made with Unity, which is very popular. So again, it's definitely something to think about when investing in Unity. For me, I understand these risks and I'm still okay owning this company. So let me know in the comments below, are you worried for competition for Unity? If not, what are some red flags that you might be worried with this investment?